In today's video, I'll be taking you guys over the top 5 dash cam that you can get this year. Dash cams are important. In this ever-growing world of industry and transport, it's only natural for the number of vehicles on the road to increase, and sometimes staying safe following the law is not enough. Sometimes you need an extra pair of eyes that can back you up, and what better way to go about that than choosing the right type of dash cam? So I did some research, folks, and I have compiled a brief list of the top 5 choices that you can go with this year. Let's get right into it. The links of all the products are in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe. Number 5. Thinkware Q800 Pro. Let's pick up with the 5th choice, the Q800 Pro, subtle and smart. This is a great choice that comes with the optional rear unit you might want. Okay, so what's in it for me with this choice? Well, you get 1440p resolution in the front and 1080p in the back. It has a 140-degree viewing angle in the front and back, and comes with integrated GPS. It lacks a screen, but that's a bargain I think you should be willing to work with. However, the best thing about this model is that it has a speed camera alerts. On top of it, it also has lane departure warnings and forward collision warnings. So as far as features go, this model is definitely packed. But likewise, it did have a few inconveniences that I think need to be addressed. Along with being a little bit over the standard budget, this model requires hand wiring installation, which might be a little bit of an extra expenditure. So if you're willing for that bargain, then I think the Thinkware Q800 Pro is a great choice. But if not, then keep on watching. Number 4. Thinkware U1000. My 4th choice for you is arguably one of the best 4K based models that takes care of almost everything. Now let's find out more about it. Okay, so the Thinkware U1000 is a pretty neat self-contained model that contains all the features needed for a good dash cam and reduces all the clutter that might distract you. For starters, it does not come with a built-in screen. That's a win in my books because it means your eyes will be on the road. On top of this, the video quality is 4K Ultra HD, and with a viewing angle of 150 degrees, which will definitely cover more than needed. The U1000 also has integrated GPS and comes with built-in Wi-Fi as well. All in all, I think this model is a pretty good choice and performs perfectly. It has a rear dashcam option as well, so if you're intending to get complete coverage and footage, then this is a great camera choice to go with. However, even with that said and done, I did note 2 minor downsides that can be a bit hectic. While the app which allows video loading is pretty easy to work with, the size of the files is massive. I mean, really working with 4K can actually be a hassle. Another minor inconvenience was that you cannot just plug and play this model. The U1000 requires proper hand wiring. I would recommend getting this done professionally. Or well, if you're comfortable with getting your hands dirty, then be my guest and save a couple of bucks. And you'll need to because this model is a little bit on the pricier end. But hey, in its range, it's easily the best there is. So if you're looking for the end-all, be-all dash cam, then the Thinkware U1000 is the right choice for you. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam Mini. If you're looking for a mini dash cam without the tech savvy required to work around it, the Garmin definitely has you covered. So what should you anticipate? Well, for starters, with a size so small, you'll be getting 1080p at 30 FPS, and will have access to a viewing angle of 140 degrees. But the main reason why I think this model deserves a feature is because of its size. Guys, this dash cam is really small, and I mean really small. Now this of course means that this model does not really come with a battery or screen, but I personally think that's a good thing. Once set up, you can let this mini dash cam sit as it is and let it do its job. Plus, no screen means no distractions. That's good, right? I think that's a winning bargain. Now what you'll have to do is either plug into the ladder socket or just hand wire into the fuse box of your vehicle. If you do the former, you'll have access to all footage whenever the car is on. But the fusing it into the fuse box is what I would recommend. This means your Garmin will be recording even while you're parked. And to get all the footage on your phone, you'll just need to get the free app and connect your model to it. So all in all, I think the Garmin Dash Cam Mini is a pretty neat choice for those of you looking for something small yet worth the while. I would highly recommend it as my top 3rd pick choice. Number 2. Nextbase Dash Cam. Moving up to number 2, the Nextbase is arguably one of the most advanced dash cam that you can get this year. This model features a video quality of 4K and comes with a viewing angle of 140 degrees. With GPS tracker included, the Nextbase is geared for solid performance. So why is it on number 2? Before we get there, let's go over the good first. So what I really like about this model is the better stability and having Alexa and What 3 words built into the interface. This makes the dash cam more accessible, and frankly put, you can even get more done with it. I mean, with the geolocation services, you can go on and even pinpoint vehicles with a 3-meter radius. I think that's pretty neat. Another good thing is the built-in polarizing filter. You can work with it and rotate it if needed, which will reduce any and every glare from windscreens. Now, when all these features come together, it's fair to say you're getting performance worth the hassle. But this begs the question, why not at first? Well, it's because the Nextbase G22 GW is really pricey. It's not a budget-friendly option at all. If you're looking to go all out, then this might be the one for you. But if you're like me and want to save a buck while at it, then wait for my first pick. Another reason where Nextbase takes the boot is the smartphone app, which is a bit of a letdown. The interface is not that user-friendly, at least in my opinion. But other than that, you're practically good to go. A beautiful touchscreen, excellent video quality, and a complete viewing experience, the Nextbase will definitely make your life easier. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam. My premium choice for this year is the Garmin Dash Cam. Stylish, compact, and getting the job done, this model has it all. So let's find more and what makes it the best for this year. So the Garmin 66W is an upgrade from its predecessor, the 55. It's fairly better and has upgrade features that I like. For instance, the video quality is pretty good at 1440p with HDR at 60 FPS. The latter is a definite upgrade from the previous models. Say hello to clearer images. Additionally, what's different with this model is that the viewing angle has increased significantly. Previously, Garmin's dash cam was limited to 122 degrees only, but with my premium choice, you'll have a viewing angle of 180 degrees. Another neat feature about this model is that the Garmin Dash Cam allows Wi-Fi based connection, which will make it easy to link it to its app. So with enough cameras, I think you can even get a complete 360-degree view around your car. However, even with that said and all the good going on with this model, there are 2 minor downsides that I think are worth mentioning before taking things further. The first, of course, is the fact that the Garmin is a little pricey. Yeah, folks, it's a bit much to go through with, but if you ask me, it's a solid choice. Another little bummer is that the battery life is not that good, and without being plugged in, it only gives 30 minutes. It's a little low, so I would just recommend having it plugged in at all times. And once that is said and done, say hello to premium grade performance that Garmin is reputable for. My premium choice, everyone. Make sure to choose a dash cam that serves you your purpose well. Remember, at the end of the day, this is an investment in your vehicle's well-being and maintenance. And by the time you wish you had a dash cam, it's already too late. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications for future videos.